In other news, concerns and assurances about displacement this evening as the government pushes ahead with plans to develop the Vernamfield Airstrip in Clarendon. Former Transport Minister Mike Henry is promising progress over the next 2 years. He was speaking with the residents and stakeholders at a recent meeting. TVJ's Krista Campbell tells us more.
2 years to take the Vernamfield Airstrip in Clarendon from this to what former Transport Minister Mike Henry has long trumpeted as a place of vast potential for the country's planned logistics hub. At the first in a series of consultations with residents and other stakeholders, Mr. Henry explained that his mission will be the development of an aerotropolis, which, by definition, is an airport city.
It will form part of the global Silk Route, which links the Mediterranean, the Red Sea, the Southeast Asia and China. So we are strategically located in a sheltered Caribbean water of Vernamfield. It will provide easy shipping access to the Panama Canal, the east coast of the Americas, the Mediterranean and the west coast of Africa.
Despite his recent reshuffle from the Transport Ministry to the Office of the Prime Minister, the Clarendon MP insists the revival and restructuring of the railway system, as well as the upgrade of roads and bridges, will further his multimodal plan and bring greater financial benefits. Those benefits include jobs, 606,000 according to the minister. But residents have personal concerns that some of them will be relocated.
Now, if there's going to be relocation, so I think we need to start putting that information out. We need to start identifying where you are going to relocate these people to, so that they can start feeling within themselves some peace and some form of security.
Nothing is as important to Mike Henry as the man's household and his land and his independence to tell me he don't need to fit in. Next to the Garvey Museo will be established the Aerospace College that is to be relocated and be a base from Tinsapen, and that will be my first push overall.
Mr. Henry says the north-south runway at Vernamfield will continue to be the main strip during the first 2 phases of development plans, with larger planes to be accommodated on a longer runway at the Tinsapen Aerodrome in Kingston. He says only a few residents who live close to Tinsapen will be relocated in later phases of the development. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.